how to sign up for Bitget application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily create your account on Bitget application. If you haven't downloaded already, simply head over to Play Store and search in for the Bitget application and just download it and install it. And once you download and install it, simply click on open and just click on continue like this. And once you get in this interface, simply click on get started. And from here what you can do is you can either create your account with your mobile number, or you can just create your account with email. So I prefer Gmail, or you can also use simply your Google account like this. So what you can do is simply type in your random Gmail account, and once you enter your Gmail, make sure your password meets the minimum requirement as shown below like this. And once all of your verification meets, simply click on create account from over here and just wait for some time. It will ask you to type in some captcha, and once you click on create, it will send you a 6-digit verification code to that particular Gmail. So let me just enter one. So once you enter your 6-digit code, you can simply enable your fingerprint login as well. So I will just keep it on later, and just like that you can simply set your settings from over here. You have to verify your account before being able to use this application. So for that you will be requiring official government issued documents, and you will also go through some face recognition verification. After that you will be able to simply create your Bitget application account. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.